These are a couple of Lasko's high velocity pivoting utility blower fans. And I want to just show you how these things work. They really move a lot of air in one direction. Now they can be adjusted, which I'm going to show you. As far as they're just going to blow air out the one vent, they're not blowing out the side. But if you need directional air to cool off a room or even to dry out a space, these things are pretty cool. The blue one is the X blower, it's 11 inch, and the black one is a 14 inch. Black one has 2 power outlets on the side and it's got 3 speeds. And it can be adjusted to aim the direction just by pushing it up here. I can aim it high, low, wherever you want to aim it. So I'm going to point it forward in this situation. This one doesn't adjust like that, but it can just be tilted up if you want to aim up or down. It also has a plug over here, and it also has 2 USB ports on it. All right, so let's turn them on. I'm going to put them on high power. We'll do them one at a time. They both have a heavy-duty cord. Now that's on low. We'll go to 2nd speed and then up to high speed, and it's really putting out a lot of air when it does that. And again, it's directional, but if you're trying to cool off one specific area or dry something out, this is great. Now let's turn that one off and turn the other one on. I'm going to go low speed with it, and 2nd, and then 3rd. So I would say the velocity of the air is similar. This one actually seems a little quieter at the bigger one, and it's giving you a little bit more volume. So it's a bigger amount of air versus on the small one, it's not quite as much. So either one is accomplishing the same purpose. Again, this one gives you a little bit more volume and possibly slightly quieter, and this one can rotate in more areas, where this one you got to kind of lean it which way you want it to go. This one is a little bit more adjustable. So if you're looking for a utility fan, these 2 are very highly rated and 2 to consider.